Hello everyone, I'm Naimul Suvon and my assignment partner is Tania Akter. So this is CSE-425 assignment and this is given by Dr. Kamruddin Nur, Adjunct Associate Professor of North South University. So our task is searching data from a CSV file using different programming language. So we are giving many options for programming language. So we have chosen Python, Java, and the majority programming language is shell script. So I'm going to present the shell script programming language. So I've used virtual machine VMware for shell script. So this is our data file. You can see that the industry level, size, line code, value. Let's see my shell script code. So this is my shell script code where you can see that first of all we have given while do loop. I will tell you why we do this later. Then we have taken input from the user for our case input. This is the case input where we can enter 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the search option, enter industry level, line code, and value. Let's see the inner thing. So we have taken a variable var name, which is the input from user. So we have used grab. So grab is basically like a regular expression. It is a regular expression. It read the CSV file line by line, and where it matches the input from the user, it will print the line by this thing, this command. So you can see that this part is similar for all of the cases. So let's see how does it execute. Let's open an terminal. Let's execute the shush searching dot shush. Here you can see that search by industry 1, 2, 3. But let's search by industry. Enter industry. Let's enter data agriculture. Here you can see that all the agricultural industry data matches this match data. Here you can see that I will tell you that why we use while do loop. If we use while do loop, it will execute infinite time. Let's see another example. Search by industry level. So let's industry level, let's give 1, and you can see that all the level 1 industries are the outputs. So that's it for the shell script programming. So now I'm going to show you the Python programming language that we have chosen. So this was our data previously I show you. So let's see the code. We have import the CSV so that we can open the CSV file. We have taken input from the user, then we have opened the CSV file, then we have used next CSV file. We have used this because we don't want to search the first line because that is description, that is our title of the CSV file. So then we have take a loop for CSV file that will read the CSV file line by line. Then we have given a condition if the search input is equals to row, and this is the column number. So if is this the first row and first column, it will first column, it will print that row. So for every column, if it matches with the every row, if it matches with the first column, then it will be print that row. So I have done some more thing, that is I equals to I plus 1. If it matches the file, if this goes to this loop, then I is not equals to 0. So it will not give an industry try again. So if it don't goes to this loop, then it will be 0, so that it will give invalid industry. So it will go to the this function again. So we have create many functions like this using the same method for many criteria like value, line code, industry level, industry line code. I have created my own criteria for this multiple thing. Here you can see that we have take 2 input, and if these 2 input matches industry by level, then it will show all the industry and level that have the same industry and level. It will show those rows. So let's then in the main function we have just use if else if conditions for if choose 1 then industry, if choose 2 then level. Let's execute the program now. You can see that I have created 10 criteria. Let's see an example. Search option, let's give an industry, so let's give an agri. So that you can see that it will give all the that have agriculture, industry, startup. Let's see another example. My own criteria like industry with same level, that is 6, industry agriculture, and the level is 2. So you can see that here is all the data that have same agriculture and same level. So that's it for our Python programming. Let's exit the program with 0. Let's exit it. So that's it for our Python programming language. So now I'm going to see the same thing with Java programming language. This thing is done by my assignment partner Tania Sultana. So let's see what she done. She imported some Java libraries. She used the buffer reader for read the files. She strings array, uses string arrays. Then it takes an input, user input from the user. So where he gives this to the person. If it's more like works like a switch case. If gives user input 1, then it will industry name, 2 for industry level, 3 for industry size. So then it takes an search input, then he give use try case if the file not found, then it will throw the exception, file not found exception. Then he use while loop for if the CSV file have the line, then it will end the loop till then it will read line by line. Then it takes a variable temp. It will temp string will match with the user input string. If it's matched, like there in conditions like temp contains search, then it will print the line. He also implemented into lowercase, so this supports both lower and upper case. So let's see some example of it. Let's industry name 1. You see that all the industries names with agriculture is shown. Let's see another example with the industry level. It's level 2. Then you can see that all the level 2 industry are shown. So that's it for our Java programming language as well as for our assignment. So thank you, sir, for giving us the opportunity to show our skill, and thank you everyone.